Uh, Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. So today guys we are going to see WIF, dog with hat. So right now it's trading $1.21, and the guys have some of the technicals over here, and I want to see where the coin started. So remember, this is the first time when they listed on Mexi. In fact, this was not on Coinbase or Robinhood or Binance. So this one, guys, is telling you where we started. So this stock or coin started from 0.17, and it went all the way to you see the highest was 4.88. And if you want to say third profit, guys, that's why 2023 this coin was number one, because if you start from all the way from here, let me show you, we are that area to that area, it was 3,000%. You see, it was 31.02%. And it's easy if you want to know how many x. So you put 3,000 divided by 100, you will get it was it was 3,100. So it was easy that 1x. So yeah, that's, I think it's more than that 1x. Yeah, because from here to here, which is from 17 cents to 1.8, that is 10x. 10x times 5, it was actually, guys, approximately around 50x. So, or yeah, let's call that 1x. So but now remember, I'm using weekly on this coin. When you see the momentum right now, so this one weekly is pointing on RSI, still pointing downside, MACD downside, and this is the important location that we are watching. So we want to close at above 128 this week. You see this dot. So we had that dot, it came 128, went to all the way to make double top over here. Remember, we have double top over here, and before that up double top, it came here around 128, went here, and we are now here. So probably for me, around this $1 we want to watch this week. So if we close above less than 128 this week, it's going to be bad. So if we close 128 and open below 128 and close the next week below that price, is bearish. But let me show you now why I see this coin will be going to bounce here. So we have this probability for downside, and remember, we are going on February, which is still volatile. But I will give you what the reason why this thing is going to skyrocketing. So this recently, remember, the coin came here around after hitting that $5, before hitting that $5, or after hitting $5, we formed this a downtrend. Remember, guys, last week I make a video when this coin above $2, and I say, guys, we have that bearish, but now we have these downtrend lines. Yeah, we are on this downtrend lines on the daily, and remember, daily is forming some bullish. So Remember yesterday, this thing after coming under $1, it bounces back to 128. That's why yesterday was more than 30%. Even right now it's still above 21% as today. So we hit the oversold, and we have starting. This is the reason why I will buy Doge with hat than buying XRP. Remember, this coin right now is under 2 billion market cap, and XRP is more than almost 200 billion. And when it's considered, this one whenever will break out, remember Doge with hat will break out and hit that 5x here, $5, that will be 5x. But XRP to hit 5x, remember this one you need only around 10 billion dollars to hit 5x. But XRP to hit 5x from this price, which is around $3. Remember 5x times $3, we need to hit $15 and hit to be more than 1.0 trillion dollars, which is a lot of money, okay? But this one, this how when I need money to make money, I will quote a small coin. So remember, Doge with hat, guys, sorry for that one. I have to bring another coin, which is a pepe. Remember, pepe also was very volatile, and I was doing chatting right now, and I'm using those apps which they listed this coin before, and I find out over here. Let me delete this one. Yeah, I found out how the pepe was bullish. So remember, pepe started all the way from here, and right now the last 2 months we are around here, and we are going to see the next target and support. So right now we are going to use this velocity retracement, because that way is telling you where you can buy and where you can sell. So this one, let me see if I have the correct price over here. Yeah, you see I have the correct price. And on monthly, you need to watch this guy's long term. So from here to here, at least some months here, this thing it tested several times. I think this when they listed around on Coinbase, it retraced and it popped up, or on crypto.com, because one of this price I bought from somewhere here, and then I went 10x and I took profit. But right now, because I know about the charts, I'm watching on monthly. You see this thing is 59 on RSI, which is bullish. Above 50, guys, is bullish. But when it came on daily here, below 40 plus 50 is bearish. So we are now bearish, okay? And on weekly, and maybe we'll hit here. But what I notice about pepe, let me show you on pepe on weekly or daily. I mean not weekly, daily. The time when it rocketed from this price, let's call this the first leg up here. Remember, this one is started from here. Whenever it come around 40 something, it always bounces around this area, okay? And maybe this is because this thing is making uptrend line. Maybe because it already bounces around here on weekly, because we are using weekly, guys. So if we bounce that from weekly, and if this is our uptrend line, you see there are theory which is telling us most of the coins, most of the coins right now is a lot of coins going to bounces very soon. And the one of the coins which you see, this one, guys, You see that uptrend line? You see that uptrend line? This you can buy here, so but this one, but this is actually, remember this is the weekly, and probably around 0.1 it might be our support. Remember this thing came around close to 0.1, and we are going to see on a daily. So the stock is reach oversold, and it bounces around here. Yeah, it came close, so very close. You see this area? So if you want to buy, you still have 20% downside, and that will be, that's what I'm telling you, this thing may be going to retest around 15 cents this week, because this week a lot of things going to skyrocket. And yeah, so but the better price is right now around 12 cents, and tomorrow I think I'll go to buy between tomorrow or a Friday, after I took my profit from, you see that's a respective uptrend line. Yeah, so in fact maybe it's already attached uptrend line, and the reason why, yeah, so let's see now if this thing it touches. So you see it touches there, and obvious we have this, like, that's what I'm telling. Maybe this thing you see here, it didn't touch severe, but it went another some weeks, and then it touches from here. Okay, you see that one, you miss it, but it went to touches from up there, and because this thing, let us assume tomorrow, remember even this oversold you see over here, it didn't do that oversold, because it came here right now, and we don't have that bullish candlestick over here, and maybe tell you, maybe okay, it might be called like this, and the touches on between this April, is it no, this February before March, but it's going to touch around 0.1. So guys, we are so close over there. Let me show you. If you see this one, this is a bullish candlestick over here. Again we have that one area, and also to call this one a bullish candlestick, we need tomorrow this candle to push more than here, because this candle is still early candle. You see this one, assume this candle is going to push tomorrow to around 14 cents here, to be a more taller like this. That will be bullish. So guys, thank you so much. So subscribe, like, and I will see you on next video. So I will type another video pepe, and then I will type another one dot with heart. Guys, thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and see you later.